If you search a place to buy flower materials in Tokyo, how about visiting our store? Tokyodo is located near Shinjuku Station. If you buy for business purpose, you can buy at membership price. Please make sure to book in advance if you already decided to visit us. We ask that you show the member's card at the cash register so that you can get product at the member's price. Please don't forget that taking away your purchasing items must be tax included.
いらっしゃいませ。
Hello, could I have a check? I have a member's card.
ありがとうございました。
If you want to add other items after payment completed and use overseas shipping service, is also available. Please tell our staff that you want to use the service before additional payment. Hi, I want to use overseas shipping service. So could you make some procedures?
I'm sorry, miss. We can't ship these items for overseas shipping.
Oh, okay, so could you cancel them for me?
Okay, no problem. So next, please sign here and fill in shipping address.
Okay. Finish. Here you are.
Thank you so much. About payment, we will ask you after we finish packing, so you don't have to complete the payment today.
We recommend to book in advance so that you can do shopping more smoothly. After going back to your country, you can use online shopping site, so please use it.